So today is a day two. Day two means day two of my habit, which I promised to develop over a month or I don't know, over a year. So today is day two. Talking about how was my day, it was not very interesting day. I'm saying interesting because I didn't do anything which I had planned yesterday. So there were lots of things which I had planned yesterday, so I couldn't able to complete it on today. So I commit lots of mistake today. The I will enlist the mistake which I committed today one by one. First mistake, that I woke up little bit late. It's because of I it's because I didn't sleep early yesterday. Second, I procrastinated thing. I don't know what is V2 home procrastinate, but I think you can understand what is the procrastinate. Third thing, I didn't work on my schedule, so I didn't follow my schedule basically. So I was randomly doing the work. I was randomly going here and there. So I was not in track. I was not on schedule. Final fourth thing, I slept much more time. I used to sleep for only 2 hours in the afternoon, but I today I slept for almost 4.5 hours. And although before shooting this video, I was also feeling sleepy. So that's about my four mistake which I committed today. Next thing, I didn't want to shoot this video because I didn't want to do anything because I don't know what, because I don't have any reason for that. There is one thing which I realize over the time, there are the days in which you feel motivated, you feel encouraged to do something, to do beyond your comfort level, and there are the days you feel demotivated, you feel discouraged, that you don't want to do anything, you don't want to get out of your comfort zone, and you don't want to fight with the world. You just want to sleep, or you just want to do thing which gives you comfort, which gives you you know leisure or satisfaction. So what genius do, genius are the people who do almost the same work regardless of their mood, regardless of the day. They do same activities, same work regardless of how they feel about their day. If they are feel motivated, they do same amount of work, they don't overdo it. If they are feel demotivated, they do same amount of work, not less nor more, because those tiny little changes will bring something out of something which amplify your level. So it will be small level, but over the period of time you will realize you have became something more much upper level that you were yesterday or you were before a few months. So, in the last note, I would say that in upcoming days, I will definitely make videos. I will definitely shoot videos, and I will definitely tell how I'm feeling that day, how what did I do in that today. So it's my request: don't watch the video if unfortunately you watched the video, or you have clicked on a video by seeing the thumbnail of this video. Like, I didn't make a specific thumbnail of this video, I just shoot a video and post it and upload it on YouTube. So I request you to guys, so please do give me feedback. Or you can give it on by messaging me, you can give it on comment. So feedback is about how I am doing, how I am improving my skills, how is my tone of voice, like, you know better than me. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't subscribe my channel, don't watch this video please.